Let's dive into the world of cybersecurity, specifically a tool called Nmap. Nmap, which stands for Network Mapper, is a free and open-source tool that's used by security experts all over the world. It's designed to discover hosts and services on a computer network, creating a map of the system. Nmap is used for a variety of tasks in security audits. For example, it can be used to discover computers and services on a network so that they can be cataloged and monitored. It's an essential tool for any cybersecurity professional, as it provides valuable information about the network that can be used to strengthen security measures. Now, how does Nmap work? It sends specially crafted packets to the target host and then analyzes the responses. It uses this information to determine a lot of details about the target, such as what operating system it's running, what services are up and running, and even what type of packet filters or firewalls are being used. Nmap has a lot of features, but one of the most popular is its ability to perform a port scan. A port scan is a method used to identify open ports and services available on a network host. This is crucial in cybersecurity because open ports can be potential entry points for attackers. In conclusion, Nmap is a powerful tool in the arsenal of any cybersecurity professional. It's versatile, reliable, and provides a wealth of information about a network that can be used to improve its security. So, if you're serious about cybersecurity, mastering Nmap should definitely be on your to-do list.